Done. Good morning, dear students and friends. Today we are discuss about the torque due to the dipole or torque on a dipole in a uniform electric field. Before we will discuss about the torque. Previously we will discuss previous lecture. In the previous lecture we will discuss about the electric field and electric field due to the dipole, and I give to the one questions for solve it. The question is find out relation between magnitude of E axial and magnitude of E equatorial. Correct or not? Okay. Solution is, we know that E axial is 2 kp upon RQ, and equation number first, E equatorial is kp upon RQ magnitude. Okay, put value of kp upon RQ in equation first from equation second. Then E axial is equal to twice of, put a value 2 kp upon RQ with E equatorial. Got it? Note down. Okay. Now today we will discuss about torque, and this is the last topic of first chapter. Torque on a dipole in uniform electric field. Okay, listen the language. A uniform electric field E this is a uniform electric field represented by a dipole pair consists of charge. A dipole pair consists of charge plus q and minus q present, and the separation distance is 2a. Separation distance is 2a, placed in a uniform magnetic field at the angle of theta. Okay, angle between uniform electric field and dipole. So write down the language. Consider a uniform electric field represented by E. Okay, in the uniform electric field, a dipole consists minus q and plus q charge and separated by 2a distance. Okay, a dipole in bracket consists minus q and plus q charge and separated by 2a distance placed at a uniform electric field with angle theta. Okay, correct or not? Up. Okay, look at the board. The force applied plus Q due to the plus Q charge is same direction of electric field. F plus Q is QE. We know that E is equal to F upon Q. Then Q is equal to F is equal to QE. Correct or not? Then Q. And this one force is due to the minus force is opposed to the electric field. F is equal to minus Q. What force is same magnitudely and direction is opposed, then they are cancel off each other. So and write down the force exerted due to plus Q charge. F plus Q is QE. ठीक है, and direction is same direction of electric field. Got it? And the force exerted due to minus Q charge A minus Q is equal to minus QE and oppose direction of electric field. Okay, total or resultant force is F is equal to F plus or plus F minus, then QE or minus of Q is equal to 0. Mean in the uniform electric field the total force is 0. Okay, but in this condition when dipole is present in the, okay, the total force is 0 in the both corners of dipole, this one. Okay, but torque is produced, torque, because one force is applied this one and this second force is applied opposite direction, just like it, this one, एक force applied to this one side and this one side, तो torque is developed इस तरीके से, जैसे आप लोगों ने नल खोलते हैं तो इस तरीके से अप्लाई करते हैं, torque is developed. Then what is the torque is, what is the formula of torque? Force multiplied perpendicular distance, or force is magnitude of force and perpendicular distance. Okay, then divided the component, this one is 2a, then two component is, this one is 2a cos theta and this one side is 2a sin theta. Okay, torque is equal to force is equal to QE, correct or not? And this one is perpendicular distance of electric field, 2a sin theta. Okay, F is equal to 2 E multiple में 2QA, sorry, Q2A sin theta. We know that P is equal to Q multiple में 2A, dipole moment. So torque is equal to, what is this? P E sin theta. Then represent by P cross E. It is the sin theta is the cross product of these. Any doubt? Write down. With angle theta, angle between electric field and moment P. Correct? Any doubt? Special case. If theta is equal to 0, mean the dipole is in this side, because angle between electric field and dipole moment, then theta is equal to 0. Okay, torque is equal to Pe sin theta. Theta is equal to 0 and sin 0 is 0. Then torque is, what is torque is 0. This is a stable condition. Stable condition. This one is a stable condition. Beams of a stable condition, the torque is always be stable. Means this direction, because this one is the direction of plus q charge and this one is minus q charge. Then one force is applied this one side F plus q, and second force applied of this mice. Then is the balance condition or stable condition. Okay. First case. Second case is if angle is 90 degree. Angle is 90 degree means torque is equal to Pe sin theta sin 90. Then maximum torque is Pe. Okay, it is called torque momentum. This one. So this one is 90 degree. This one is called maximum because we are going to apply a torque of this rotation. This one is maximum. Okay. Third point is if theta is equal to 180 degree. If theta is equal to 180 degree, then torque is Pe sin 180. Sin 180 is minus 1, then minus P. It is an unstable condition. Unstable conditions. Mean of this one is dipole and this one is plus q and this one minus q. Okay, when we remove of the force, this is this one is plus q and this one is minus q. When we have remove the force on the dipole, then either automatically rotate and come to the original position. This like a rubber. जब हम लोग रबड़ को ऐसे बांध के ऐसे लेते हैं ना, है ना, और तो उसके ऊपर देखो ऐसे पेंसिल से मारेंगे तो वो वापस से घूम के कहाँ जाएगा, अपनी ओरिजिनल कंडीशन। आता नहीं आता ऐसे रोटेट करते, तो वो टॉर्क की तो है रोटेशन, जो हमारा रोटेशन फोर्स है, इट इज कॉल्ड टॉर्क। ओके, तो योर थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन ऑफ द फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज टोटली completed. All topics are covered in the all lectures. Okay, today some important numerical are solved out. After that, after one lecture we are continuously start our next chapter, and next chapter is Gauss law and its application. Okay, write down the numerical. Write down the numerical. Question number 8. Your textbook question number 8. In given figure, and equilateral triangle ABC of side A question number 8 in your textbook is given figure an equilateral triangle ABC of side A is a chart plus Q2 minus Q2 and minus Q at the vertex. Calculated dipole moment. So okay, give to solution. This is minus Q charge and this one minus Q charge plus 2Q charge. We are represent plus Q2 charges plus Q and plus Q. Then one dipole is this one plus Q and minus Q, and second dipole is minus Q. And the side is A. This one is also A, and this one is also A. And angle of equilateral sine is 60, 60 and 60. Any doubt? Okay. Okay. Dipole due to point A and C. The dipole direction minus Q2 plus Q. This one is plus Q2 charge, plus Q this one, and plus Q for this one. This one is P1. Consider this one is P1. And same cheese, P1 is what is 2. Okay. 2 P multiple में, okay, Q multiple में 2A, and distance between these is only A. Okay, formula is P into Q into distance between small distance. That distance between it, then formula is Q multiple में A, and direction is C to A. Same is dipole due to point B and C, P2 is Q multiple में A, okay, and P2 A, okay. This one is 60 degree, correct or not? The component dividation method, use component dividation method. Consider this one is angle and this one is angle 30 and this one is also 30. Then component dividation is PA cos 30 and P2 cos 30, and this direction is P2 sin 30 and this one is P1 sin 30. Correct or not? What we done? P1 magnitude equal to P2, then P1 sin 30 cancelled to the P2 sin 30, because, tell me, because opposite direction and same the magnitude, same to the magnitude. Correct or not? The total dipole is P1 cos 30 and P2 cos 30. Okay, P1 equal to a P2. Then what we done? P1 2P1 cos 30 or 2P2 cos 30. Put the value of P1 and P2 and cos. P is equal to what is Q multiple में A and cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cancel out 2 to 2. P is equal to root 3 Q. This is the answer. Okay. Next question number 11. An electric dipole moment of 4 into 10 की power 19 coulomb meter. Coulomb meter represented by this one. Another few given unit. Some teachers may be possible is read of centimeter. Okay, is placed at 30 degree with a uniform electric field of magnitude of is 5 into 10 की power 4 Newton Coulomb. Calculate the torque acting on a dipole. Okay, solution. Given that what is dipole? What is the value? 4 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb meter, and electric field is 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton Coulomb. Find out torque. Simply we know that torque is equal to Pe sin theta. Then put the value of P, 4 into 10 to the power minus 19. Put the value of E, and sin theta is sin 30. What is the value of sin 30 is 4 into 10 to the power 19, 5 into 10 to the power 4 and 1 by 2. Cancel out 2 times. Okay. Okay. 2 multiple में 5 into 10 to the power 9 यानी 10 to the power 15. 10 to the power 15. Torque is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 15. What is the unit of torque is equal to force multiple में perpendicular distance. Unit of force is perpendicular distance in Newton meter, or also represent 10 to the power 14 Newton meter. Okay, dear student, 4 and 5 numericals are left on your textbook unsolved numericals. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss and we will solve out the all numerical. After that we are close on the first chapter or your first chapter. Okay, then on tomorrow will be solve out the numericals. You solve out it and try to solve the numerical unsolved numerical, and also you solve the examples for your exams. Okay, thank you very much. And okay, you subscribe to my channel Gravity Point, and also called GP classes. All classes and previous lecture are available on this channel. Please subscribe it and like it and share it. Okay, thank you very much. Stay at home. And yes, I know कि वैकेशन से आप लोग समझ रहे हो घर बैठना है, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ते भी साथ रहो ताकि एकदम से लोड आपके पास ऊपर ना आए. ओके, मिलते हैं कल. बाय बाय.